Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the canvas so each palm card is predictable and consistent. Open Page Setup and pick a custom size or switch to landscape. This controls how many cards fit per sheet. Once done, reduce margins to about 0. 4 inches to maximize space, then insert a table that matches the card count you want. You do this now because layout decisions affect spacing, so get the grid correct before adding text or design elements to avoid reflow later. Now you fill the table cells with the actual palm card content and styling. Select a cell, set a fixed column width and row height so every card stays identical, and apply paragraph styles for headings and bullet points so copy is easy to scan. Use bold and short lines to highlight cues, avoid full sentences. Once content is placed, duplicate the cell content across remaining cells or paste variations. This keeps pacing consistent and saves time when you edit multiple cards at once. Finish by exporting your document as a PDF so the grid and fonts remain intact for printing. PDFs prevent unexpected reflow. Make sure you print at 100% scale and disable any fit-to-page options so card sizes stay exact. If content shifts or cells resize, return to the doc and confirm each table cell uses fixed dimensions and margins are uniform. If fonts change, embed or use common fonts. You can also re-export, after those adjustments, to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.